The man who admitted driving drunk and causing an accident that killed his lifelong friend was sentenced today.
But the victim's mom says justice was not served. She says the punishment doesn't actually fit the crime. News 12 Long Island's Venice Toussaint has that story.
My son was my life.
It's been a year since Patricia Smith Lamarca lost her 25-year-old son, Kevin. He was killed in this horrific drunk driving accident in Patchogue. And Lamarca says that day, a piece of her heart and happiness was ripped away.
He was only 25 years old. I would have gladly traded places with him. He had his whole life ahead of him.
Today, a judge sentenced Smith's friend John Kelleher to 2 2 2/3 to 8 years in prison under a plea deal. Kelleher admitted to driving drunk when he lost control of his car and crashed. Smith, who was a passenger, was ejected from the vehicle. Prosecutors say Kelleher's blood alcohol content was nearly 3 times the legal limit.
Unfortunately, we lost a very good man.
Through tears, Kevin's father, Bill, talked about his family's pain and pleaded for a tougher sentence.
Too many people are killed from drunk drivers or people under the influence, and I don't want to see anybody have to go through what I'm going through right now.
Lamarca says she will never forgive Kelleher for taking her son's life, and she too feels the sentence was too lenient.
Typical Suffolk County, let's give him a nice little slap on the wrist because, you know, he has a good attorney. That's it. They don't go by what happened to my son.
So again, John Kelleher will be spending the next 2 2/3 to 8 years in prison for that deadly drunk driving accident. Several members of his family were also here in court today, but none of them wanted to talk to us. We're in Central Islip. Venice Toussaint, News 12, Long Island.